Some people talk too much. They brag about their plans. They show off their victories before they even win. But let me tell you something. Real power moves in silence. Real success doesn't make noise. It makes an impact. I want to tell you a story about a man who learned this lesson the hard way, a story about how silence can be your greatest weapon. There was a young man named David. He grew up in a small town, but his dreams were bigger than the sky. He wanted success, he wanted greatness, and he believed that if he told the world his plans, the world would celebrate him. So David talked. He told his friends, his family, even strangers about how he was going to be rich, how he was going to make it big. "Just watch me," he'd say. "I'll be a millionaire before I turn 30. But as the years passed, nothing changed. He was still stuck in the same place, still dreaming, still talking, but never moving. And the more he talked, the more people doubted him. The more they laughed. "All talk, no action," they whispered. One day, David met an old man at a cafe. The man had a quiet presence, but something about him commanded respect. David, being himself, started talking about his big dreams. The old man listened, then smiled. He said, "Son, do you know why an eagle hunts in silence? Because real predators don't announce their attack. They just strike." David sat there, confused. The old man continued, "The moment you tell the world your every move, you invite doubt, envy, and resistance. But when you move in silence, your results will speak so loud that no one can ignore you." That conversation changed David's life. He stopped talking. He started working. No more boasting, no more empty words. He put his head down and grinded in silence, day after day, year after year. And one day, he made it. Not because he said he would, but because he did. See, the world doesn't respect words, it respects action. Too many people waste time proving themselves to themselves, instead of proving themselves to themselves. They tell everyone about their next move, hoping for applause, but applause doesn't build empires, effort does. The greatest moves in history were made in silence. The biggest victories were planned in the shadows. Success doesn't need an announcement, it only needs results. So the next time you feel the need to prove something, don't. Let your work prove it. Let your success do the talking. Let your results silence the doubters. Because real winners don't show off. They show up, move in silence, win in power, and remember, the loudest one in the room is often the weakest. Now go, and let your success speak for itself.